Alright, we are at the AWS console. So we'll be doing the basics of IAM, that is creating one role. So we'll click IAM. Next, since we are creating roles, so we need to move on to the roles tab. Then click on create role. Next, we need to select a service. So let's now create a role for EC2. We'll give the full access for the EC2. So EC2, here I've selected EC2. There are also like other variants now if you want, but for the sake of the demo I'll keep this as simple as possible. So we'll search EC2 here. There will be a bunch of roles, but we are more interested in the full access. So full access is required, not in much, unless you want anyone to do anything like terminate or anything. But if you want to give some specific access, like a kind of read-only role, so you can also manage that is read-only access, this kind of roles. So we can elaborate any of the roles what's written here. So you can see like CloudWatch list, allow auto scaling, this kind of things will be allowed. So this is so we are more concerned for this tutorial about this full access. So let's go ahead. So in full access, if you check what's there, so allow means to grant, resource star means everything. So it will have on all the resources for the EC2. Here the action is EC2, just note. Then for load balancing itself, its star means it will give the full access for all the resources. So that's how you can like build your custom as well, custom JSON document, but we will use inbuilt for the sake of demo for this simplicity purpose. So let's now go down, click on next. We need to give a name. So I'll write Cloud Guru Amit EC2. We are good. So let's scroll down, create a role. So it's creating a role. Similarly, we can create another role for DynamoDB as well. Let's go ahead and create another role. I'll show you another demo how to do it. So again, like let's select the service. DynamoDB is already there, DynamoDB. So we are doing for DAX, DynamoDB Accelerator. So let's go down, click on next. So there is only one full access, so that is what we need to give. Let's go on to next. So again, like we need to type a name. For the name, you can give the first letters for the project name in like what you're working. But for this demo, I'll be writing my name, DynamoDB. So the roles, what you can check what it does. It allows DAX, CWS, so everything. So next we need to click on create role. So it does instantly, like it's nothing much, it creates instantly. So if you want to check what role, like let's say if anyone wants to check, or I want to check what's there in the role, so I'll search with the name of the role. So since I have created with my name, so it's very easy to filter. So now let's check some in real projects you might be having some permission kind of issues somewhere. So you need to check what roles and what JSON document, like what's it's mentioned. So you can open similarly this kind, the name, then check what are the policies attached there, and you can check what things are allowed. So if you are getting like denied, so the policy is not allowing you, so you need to add allow policy there. So you need to connect with your maybe the administrator or the in your team, or any person is associated with IAM in your project. You need to connect and ask them to add such block so that you can access the resource. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. So thank you so much for watching this video.